How to know if threading.Condition.wait timeout has timed out or has been notified. I'm developing an application with some threads, each one running an infinite loop with a time sleep. What I want is to finish all threads once the main one has finished. Here an example. The problem with this solution is that I don't know if condition.wait has finished because the timeout or because has been notified. In the second case, while loop should finish. At first I was doing a time.sleep, t, and using threading events, but then the application has to wait until t on all threads has passed. I'm thinking about a mixed solution using threading.Condition and event, but I don't know if it's the nicest thing to do. Condition for the sleep and event to replace while true.
The easy way to do this is to use Python 3.2 or later, or get the backport of the current threading to 3.1, 2.7, etc. from PyPy, or just copy the code for that method from, say, 3.4 source. As the docs for condition.wait explain, the return value is true unless a given timeout expired, in which case it is false. Changed in version 3.2, previously, the method always returned none. As a side note, I'm not sure you need a condition here at all. You're not checking a flag inside the loop, or doing anything else that should be susceptible to a race condition, you're just waiting to be notified. That implies that, as long as you don't need magic auto reset, an event should be just fine. An event.wait has had the true, false return since 2.7, 3.1 plus, rather than 3.2 plus.
After all, it was very simple. I was just focusing on the wrong thing. I just needed a sleep that could be stopped with an event, and that's what event.wait t does. The problem then can be solved just with events.